Lagedal.
Wat is die praat?
Lagedal praat, regtig.
Ja.
Rarig.
As iemand by jou iets sê, wil hy so fucking teef. Hoekom stuur die ander mans boodskappe terwyl jy fucking man langs jou sit, hè? Hoe moet JP voel, hè?
JP is nie my fucking man nie, wys jy net hoe poesdom is jy. Jy ken nie eens die feite nie, dompond. Baie warra, my fucking ken nie eens die feite nie. Jy maak net 'n joke van jouself. Owen, let me ask them quickly. Delicat, explain to me, if we were hacking, how the fuck does that work? So next time, before you throw accusations, use your little brains that you have and think.
I don't know if this W out. Yeah, it's the same.
No, even me.
It's the same.
No, I told you, toxic hacker, don't steal my lines. I know you want to be like me, but don't.
Hulle is so kwaad.
How is he speaking?
I don't know.
He's so fucking young, fucking
Wait.
die fucking ou al iets speel.
Nee.
Dan kan hulle iemand kry daar.
Jy mag 'n vrou nie fucking games speel nie.
He's
Maar-
6
Skrim saam met te speel.
You must get your
Exactly, geen vrou gaan saam met hulle wil speel nie, want kyk hoe gaan hulle aan.
Speel jy weer.